Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make Chowmein at home. Firstly, bring 5 cups of water to a boil in a large pot and add a quarter teaspoon salt. Now drop 150 to 200 grams of noodles into the water. No need to break them. Now cook noodles according to package directions until tender and soft, and if you prefer a firmer texture, cook until al dente instead. Now drain noodles using a colander and rinse under cold running water to stop the cooking process. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoons toasted sesame oil and toss gently so the noodles don't stick together, and set aside covered while preparing the veggies. Now chop veggies. Grate all your vegetables and cut them, and mushrooms. Mix 2 teaspoons corn flour with 2 tablespoons water and keep aside. Now heat a half teaspoon of oil in a large wok or a pan over high heat and add chopped garlic and ginger and stir fry for a few seconds until fragrant. Now add onions, carrots, bell peppers, cabbage and mushrooms and stir fry on a high heat for 3 to 4 minutes, tossing constantly until the veggies are slightly tender but still crisp. Now lower the heat and add your prepared soy sauce, chili sauce, vinegar and sugar. Stir to combine and bring to a simmer. Now add corn flour slurry slowly while stirring. This slightly thickens the sauce. Now add your cooked noodles to the wok and toss everything together using tongs or chopsticks until the noodles are evenly coated and heated through. Then season with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, turn off the heat and garnish with spring onion greens. Serve hot and fresh with soy sauce or chili vinegar on the side. That's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and I will see you on the next video.